very beautiful. I'm going to dip my hands in now. Oven grill, nicely done. Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we have a top for you. Our top. We have eggs. We have avocado, Kobe, salted tilapia, and peanuts. And we are going to make this today. So all our ingredients are here. We have our palm oil, peanut butter, eggs. We have plantain, the yellow one and the green one. We have Kobe, salted tilapia. We have avocado, onion, Scotch bonnet, salt, and spring onion here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start peeling the plantain. Okay, finish peeling the skin off. Now I'm cutting them into small pieces like that. Okay, you can cut it the way you wish. All right, and this one also. That's it then. Now this one is going to the pot. This here, I'm adding water into it. You can put as much as you want water. Okay, you have to cover the whole plantain. Okay, like that, that's fine. Okay, and here I have my Kobe. It's going there, and also my eggs is going there as well. I'm also adding my eggs there. All right, and I'm going to cover this and leave it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. While the plantains are cooking, I'm going to do my pepper and onion, and I'm going to add a bit of salt on top of it. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay. And grind it. And also the pepper, you can use as much as you want if you like it. All right, I like it, so I'm using 3 small Scotch bonnets. But if you don't, you can just use 1 or half of it. I've added my palm oil, slice a bit of onion in there. I'm just going to cook it about 2 minutes only. Yes, and add it to my pepper, grounded, and onion. All right, our plantains are done. I'm taking the eggs out and put it in the cold water. Here, I put it in cold water for the cooking to stop, the cooking process to stop. All right. Okay, so now we can start doing our top. And I have to take the Kobe also out. I'm adding my peanut butter here, and I'm going to mix with the pepper like that. And also my oil is done. Okay, I'm adding also the oil, and then I'm adding my plantain. Okay, make sure you do it when it's hot. All right, not too hard. All right, just be gentle like that. This is a top. It's done now. I'm going to add my peanuts, roasted peanuts, top of it, a bit of spring onion also, eggs, and my Kobe here, and I'm going to add my avocado. So this is it, our toy is done. So bon appetit everyone, and I hope this was helpful to you, and try, let me know. We'll see you soon. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.